Hi guys, this is Bosslady Shruti and I know that I've been a little, MIA, but that's because I just moved into my new house. I know that I already announced it like on my Instagram and stuff. But yeah, this is for my YouTube fam. So yes, I have moved into a new place. It's still a rented apartment, but it's a different area than where I was living in earlier. And as you know, moving is obviously very, very stressful. I have just been very, very overwhelmed with the whole process. Even though I have done it like at least 7-8 times now, every time I have to move, it is a very daunting process. Of course, it takes a toll on your overall health. Like your skin, your hair, everything goes for a toss. And something that I realized is that I was not getting enough sleep, I was not eating well, and my dark circles were having a party of their own. So I just knew that once I moved into my new place, I needed to address that ASAP. Because we only like carrying Chanel bags around here, not eye bags. I knew it was time for me to make changes in my overall lifestyle. I was not sleeping well, I was not eating the right kind of food, I didn't have time to work out, so I knew that I needed to fix my lifestyle first and foremost. First, I fixed my diet. I ensured that I am staying hydrated and having my greens along with fresh fruits and a bowl of salad almost every day. And second, rested as much as I could and avoided sun, like direct sun exposure, as much as I could. And third, I made some changes in my skincare routine. That's when I was introduced to this bad boy right here. This is the new Glycolic Bright Eye Serum by L'Oreal Paris. This is a very unique eye serum because it has a very unique packaging. It has this rollerball sort of an applicator which honestly feels so soothing and so relaxing underneath the eyes. It has this triple roller applicator which is unique and special. This is also super convenient and easy to use. And honestly, applying this after a whole tiring day of shoot or work or anything of that sort, it honestly feels so soothing. Like it feels like a little spa in a bottle, and I'm here for it, guys. I'm here for it. And since I felt like this was doing so well, I did an in-depth, little research on what is it that it makes this eye serum so good. So it has 3 really, really potent ingredients, which is glycolic acid, niacinamide, and vitamin CG. Glycolic acid, as we all know, helps in exfoliating dead skin cells. Niacinamide helps fight melanin, which is basically the darkness underneath the eyes, and vitamin CG restores radiance. So they actually claim that this eye serum reduces dark circles in about, say, 2 weeks. And you can see how bad my dark circles were like when I was moving and compared to it now. So honestly, the reason why I like using this serum is because it's very, very convenient to use. Literally 10 seconds and you are done. It's very travel friendly. You can see that it is literally like a little bottle. It will fit in any of your travel pouches and you can use it to calm and soothe underneath your eyes. And it has amazing, powerful ingredients that give you actual results. I mean, the results are like literally in front of you. This to me is a must-have eye serum. I use it twice a day, morning in my AM and PM skincare routine. I honestly love using it in my PM skincare routine. Just before I go to bed, applying it literally like makes me even sleep better, I feel. And L'Oreal Paris is actually having some exciting deals happening on their page. So I will leave a link to it in the description. Definitely check it out. I feel absolute Barbie vibes, and yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you guys have used it and what your experience has been with the product. And if you have any further questions, leave it in the comments. I would love to get back to you. And yeah, that's it. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy.